Hello, my name is Luis Miguel Padilla Narvaez. I am 21 years old. Today I come to tell you about you myself. I am an industrial engineering student in University Iberoamericana. I am 70th semester. I currently work in a company that transport leaks gases. Among others, I have been working in this company for 2 years. I like to do my job. It is a bit stressful, but I love it. I play trombone by do it to time use. I know horn learner performing it. Recently, I have surgery on the appendix. Already that he's that in bad condition and step days in the hospital. At this moment, my health is growing. What else do you I tell you? Hmm. I like to go my bicycle for my work since the traffic in the streets where I live is horrible. I confess that I like to eat a lot of salchipapa and rice with chicken. My wild taste is the Grey's Anatomy series is best series in the world. I love it Colombia for its flowers, lands, paisajes, and people, but my dream is to able to live in country and learn about other cultures. And clothing, I till you think I have pet my is cat. His name is Michi. He's loved for my life. Thank you for your attention.